Good morning everyone and welcome back to another video from the Philippines. We are starting our morning at Corong Port before we head out on our private tour. The sun is shining, it's going to be such a good day. If you've seen our previous videos from the Philippines, you will see that we've had some shocking weather, but today it's beautiful, so I'm really excited for this day.
So we're joined by Noy and he's our tour guide for the entire day. Say hello.
Hello. Welcome to my vlog.
It's his vlog now. Our carriage awaits. Here he is. Look at that service. Guys, look how incredible this boat is. I don't think I've ever been on a boat this nice. We've got an upper deck with bean bags. We've got the lower deck for the kayaks, the rest area. It's going to be a good day.
We even have our own kayak that they're bringing along with us so we don't have to rent one, which is brilliant. All the perks of a private tour.
Very happy right now.
I don't think they got the size memo when they ordered my life jacket.
Look how big it is. So here in El Nido you've got the option of 4 boat tours. You've got A, B, C and D. But today, because we're doing a private tour, we're going to be doing the highlights of all of them. So it's going to be a mixed tour. Are you ready?
Hell yeah! The sun is shining and I'm ready to see some beautiful beaches. And we have arrived at our first stop of the day, which is Snake Island, and oh my god, it is absolutely beautiful. And we're pretty much all alone here. The perks of booking a private tour. The journey here was absolutely incredible. The sea literally looked like silk, didn't it?
I've never seen a smoother sea in my life. And our guide said, you're lucky you didn't do this yesterday because it was choppy, it was windy, it was cloudy. So for once in our life, things have gone the right way.
Anyway, we're gonna explore a little bit and then have a dip, cool off. And then, yeah, oh, it's just so stunning, Sam.
I love it.
How is it?
Oh, don't talk to me. I'm in paradise, baby. Paradise. And all to myself.
Look at this stunning water. It's literally so blue and there's no stones or anything. It's unreal. Actually, the tide is low right now, but it's not at the lowest point because sometimes you can just see the sand. But I mean, this is pretty perfect as it is. Wow. What are you doing?
I was a bit worried about getting in because I thought there might be sea snakes, hence the word Snake Island, but apparently it's been called Snake Island because of the sandbank, shaped like a snake. Hello. Goodbye.
Coconut!
Filipino Boko.
I thought the day couldn't get any better than this.
So,
Woo!
something I've noticed about El Nido is that they're really conscious about plastic. So every time we go to a cafe, they always say no to single-use plastic. I love this. Look, metal straws.
Yeah, it's so different to other countries that we've been to. Cheers.
Cheers.
Look at this place. We're literally sitting in paradise. I thought Balabat was good, but this could be better. And usually it would be really, really crowded, but because we booked the private tour, we left slightly earlier, so there's literally no one here. Definitely worth the price so far, and we've still got 4 more spots to go to. This place is literally heaven. The sea is unbelievable, and there's no sea grass, which we had a lot of in the Balabac, so you can actually walk on the soft sand and it feels so nice. Oh, unfortunately we only had a 40-minute stop here, and now we have to leave, but it's been amazing. Really, really like heaven. We have arrived at our second spot of the day, which is Entalua Island. This place has literally been on my bucket list since I saw it online about 4 years ago, and it has not disappointed in the slightest. It is literally paradise. White sand, beautiful limestone cliffs surrounding me. I just feel like I'm in a movie, honestly.
Days like this, it's what I live for. Unbelievable. And they got a little tuck
Tiki
shop.
bar.
Yeah.
A little tiki bar. Rum and Coke.
2 rum and coke, please. Oh, look
With
at that.
ice. Yes.
Right out the cool box. Alright, what a vibe.
This is a perfect place for a rum and coke. Look how cute it is. You can get so many little snacks. I don't know what this is. Oh, banana. Look at this, Sam.
You want to try?
No, because we have lunch soon. But it looks good. So they've got banana, peanuts, loads of snacks, loads of drinks. And this is probably the best setting for a little tuck shop that I've ever seen in my life. I mean, look at where she works. I need a new job, Sam. We need to get a tuck shop and plant it here.
Look guys, I've also got cocktails. This is Ria's favourite right now, Mai Tai. Margarita, 200 pesos, so not too bad.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Me too.
Thank you for the rum and coke.
Yeah, delicious. Woo!
Always.
This is strong.
Thank you.
And once again, no plastic. So even on these little islands, they're more conscious about the environment. I love it. Could be the thing I love most about the Philippines, actually. Oh, and the beaches, of course. And the rum, very cheap.
Literally the perfect spot for our rum and coke. I literally feel on such a high right now because, like I said earlier, this place has literally been on my bucket list for so long. We did actually come to El Nido in 2020, just before the pandemic, and I must admit, it was a lot less crowded and completely different to how it feels now. Now it does feel really touristy, but there are some secluded spots that you can find when you book the private tour and only share with a few people. So far, we definitely recommend.
Okay guys, after that amazing experience on this beautiful island, it's time to head to the next spot.
So after a 10-minute journey, we have just pulled up to the Big Lagoon, which is actually one of the major highlights of Tour A. But in order to access it, you have to take a kayak. They're included in our tour, so we're going to jump in and explore the area.
Yung bat for that.
Good?
Woo!
Thank you. Oh, I got a wooden paddle.
Hey!
Just 1 second.
No, 2. Get 2.
She's got a GoPro.
Oh, okay. Barracuda!
Barracuda!
Ah, it's a big barracuda apparently. Woohoo! Look at this.
Wow. This is living, baby.
Ella, bien! Just got back from the best kayaking session. I'm going to say it was the best because I did nothing, I just relaxed. And I was going to say we worked up an appetite. I just worked one up by doing absolutely nothing. This one over here paddled us around the whole lagoon. Honestly, it was just so stunning, but we are extremely hungry. So we're going to get to our lunch spot, have some lunch, and hopefully the sun will come back out because the clouds have rolled in. Ah, but it's still beautiful. And we have arrived at Helicopter Island, which is our 4th spot of the day. Unfortunately, the weather has taken a little bit of a turn for the worse, but I won't complain about this lunch spot because it's still really beautiful. It actually looks more like Hawaii now, which is crazy. We've got all the really big cliffs, limestone cliffs around us. It's a really nice place to have lunch. We've got some shrimp, some chicken, some vegetables, some fruit, and a really good view. This is honestly one of the best things I've eaten since arriving in the Philippines. So much flavour, it's unbelievable.
Well, I'm not ashamed to say this is my 4th chicken leg because it's absolutely delicious. So good.
So cool. These guys must literally kayak here from the mainland, and they sell coconuts and snacks and ice cream and stuff. But imagine the effort to get here. I mean, I think we are pretty far away from the mainland, but they've got their cool boxes and you can buy it when you come. If it was nice weather, we would sit down and enjoy it and support the locals, but we're gonna head off. We need to get back before the thunderstorm rolls in.
Well guys, that was absolutely incredible, and in my opinion this lagoon is so much better than the previous lagoon. What do you reckon?
Yeah, because basically this tour timed it really well, because apparently in the morning on Tour D, which
Packed.
is one of the main things that to do on Tour D, it's really busy, but because you come here at the end of the tour, it was pretty much all alone, and the rock formations were so impressive, it was like crystals. wasn't it?
Yeah, even with the cloud, the water was still so clear as well. It's just like that emerald green.
Oh,
Beautiful lagoon.
so stunning. So I'm very glad that we booked a private tour, because like I mentioned earlier, we did do a few tours in El Nido in 2020 before this place was popular, and we did have a lot of the spots to ourselves, but we know that nowadays it's nothing like that. So if you do want to book this tour, which we highly recommend, we're going to leave the link to the Get Your Guide down below. We always use Get Your Guide. They're amazing. They always have the best tours on offer, and you can always find a good valued private tour. So you have places like this all to yourself. Oh guys, as you can see behind me, we are now approaching El Nido, which means sadly it is the end of the tour and the end of this video. But the island hopping doesn't stop here, because in our next one we are going to be taking you guys all the way from El Nido to Coron on a 3-day expedition where we're going to see some of the most beautiful islands that this area has to offer. So don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.